Hey y'all, Cookin Savvy here. Let's talk savvy rotisserie chicken for a minute. If your weeknights are on the go and you feel overwhelmed or too tired to cook, I've got you covered. This rotisserie chicken ravioli is quick and can be adapted to your family. Just start by cooking the ravioli and set aside. Cut up as much rotisserie chicken as your family desires. Then cut up the broccoli into bite-sized pieces. In a pan over medium heat, heat up the chicken. Add garlic and onion powder. Then add chicken broth to deglaze and get all that yummy goodness off the bottom of the pan. Toss in the Alfredo sauce and broccoli. If the sauce is too thick, add a bit more broth. Stir in the cooked ravioli and heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that's what I call a chicken savvy rescue. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. And until next time, I'll be doing my best at Cookin Savvy.